Remind students that hot magma can be pushed out of cracks and vents in the Earth's crust. This lesson will investigate what happens when hot magma squeezes up into cracks in the crust and cools before it reaches the surface. Parents should adjust this activity if any students are diabetic or have peanut allergies. Have students start with 3 or 4 layers of soft bread with the crust trimmed off, and then spread the peanut mixture between the layers. They should arrange the slices of bread in a stack like a big sandwich. Using the handle of a clean butter knife, have them make about 4 or 5 vertical holes in the bread that go through all the layers. The wafers will be trimmed in size and gently pushed into each of the holes. These holes should be covered with more spread. Now have the students cut out several slices of the layers, being sure to cut through some of the wafers. They should compare the bread model slices to features found in some geological structures. You should identify and compare some of these features. Peanut butter mixture on top represents hardened magma that reached the surface. Mixture between layers of bread represents hardened magma below the surface. Wafers also represent hardened magma below the surface. Bread represents layers of rock strata. Now have students identify the parts with colored toothpicks. Red for hardened magma on the surface, green for hardened magma below the surface that hardened between rock strata, yellow for hardened magma below the surface of the ground that hardened into mostly vertical cracks, and blue for the original strata of the rock. The science stuff describes these kinds of rocks: extrusive rocks, intrusive sills, intrusive dikes, and rock strata. Have students tape labels to their toothpicks to identify these rocks.